Today we're checking out this cold case Radiators aluminum performance radiator for the 2011 to 2016 6.6 liter Duramax Silverado and Sierra 2500 and 3500 HD. If you're doing some heavy towing, you haul frequently, or your truck spends time working in hot weather, a performance radiator is one of those upgrades that's all about keeping things stable and reliable when the truck is under load, so it's definitely worth looking into. This radiator is all about better cooling and better heat control, especially in real-world situations that make the truck work hard, like pulling a trailer, climbing grades, stop-and-go traffic on a hot day, or long idles on the job site. The big upgrade here is going to be the core design and capacity with the bonus of this aluminum construction. You're getting two 1-inch tubes to move coolant efficiently and a dense fin count at 16 fins per inch to help shed heat faster than that stock unit. That combination matters because it's not just more metal, it's more surface area doing the job of transferring heat out of that coolant. If you're someone who watches temps, you already know keeping temperatures consistent is the goal. When your cooling system can keep up, you're helping everything in the engine bay live a better life. Coolant temps stay steadier, the truck is less likely to creep hotter on those long pulls, and you're not constantly fighting the truck running warmer than it should. When it comes to the construction on this, you are getting an aluminum radiator that's lightweight and rust-proof. And it's TIG welded for strength and long-term durability. The thicker design and the large tube setup are there to handle heat better, and the overall build is meant to stand up to the kind of use that heavy-duty trucks see, especially if your truck works hard for you to make a living. As far as pricing goes on this, it is coming in right in the upper $700 price range. That makes sense for a heavy-duty, performance-focused aluminum radiator because you're paying for stronger construction, better cooling capacity, and more confidence-inspiring replacement compared to cheaper radiators that can hit or miss on fit, quality, and long-term leak resistance. When it comes to the install on this one, it's gonna get rated a full 3 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can get this job done in about 3 hours of your time if everything goes smooth. This is built to be a direct style replacement radiator, so it's meant to be the perfect size and fit for the truck with the correct dimensions. So you're not trying to make some generic radiator work, and that's really gonna simplify with this install process. All right, that's gonna wrap up my review of the Cold Case Radiators aluminum performance radiator for the 2011 to 2016 6.6 liter Duramax Silverado and Sierra 2500 and 3500 HDs. And for all things Silverado and Sierra, keep it right here at American Trucks.